Hi all, this is Simona Rich, and behind me you can see that I have made some shelves myself, and hopefully later I will paint it white or something so that it would look nice. In this video I would like to talk about 3 meditation tips for those people who are new to meditation or find it difficult to meditate. And the first most important tip is to meditate no matter what, no matter whether you feel like you're getting into deeper states of consciousness or not. Because I believe that this is the major mistake that new meditators make, that they sit for 15 minutes and thoughts don't stop, so they quit. And this is the major mistake, because it won't happen like that. If you're new to meditation, you will sit and after a few minutes you will get deep into meditation. That doesn't happen. You have to sit through that time. So I believe this is the best advice, is that set particular time for meditation, and hopefully it's around an hour or more, and then keep sitting no matter what. And if you cannot switch off your mind and it keeps working, then just sit there. The most important thing is to get your body into the habit of sitting for 1 hour. And then later you will notice that thoughts decrease and gradually you're getting into meditation. But it won't happen if you quit after 15 minutes because you keep thinking. You have to break through. This is kind of like the body. This is the way that the body works. And the best thing to do is to always sit at the same time. So, for example, you may get into the habit of sitting as soon as you wake up, sitting in meditation, or before going to bed, or after finishing particular work. So the body should be trained to expect that meditation time and always keep it for the same length of time, and then you will notice that this alone will help you to get into deeper states of meditation. So this is the most important piece of advice. And another is breathing. There are different ways to breathe, like you can check alternate nostril breathing, or I will maybe put instructions in this video, or you can just Google alternate nostril breathing, and there are plenty of teachers showing how to do it. So this explanation comes from the book Asana Pranayama Mudra Bandha, which is released by Bihar School of Yoga, my favorite series of books on yoga. So this technique is called alternate nostril breathing. In this technique, the duration of inhalation and exhalation is controlled. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. At the same time, count mentally here is written count mentally 1 Om, 2 Om, but you can just count 1, 2, 3, until the inhalation ends comfortably. This is the basic count. Breathe deeply with yogic breathing. Do not strain. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril, and while breathing out through the right nostril, simultaneously count 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om, or just 1, 2, 3. The time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Next, inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count in the same manner. At the end of inhalation, close the right nostril, open the left nostril, and exhale through the left nostril, counting as before. This is 1 round, practice 10 rounds. So do this exercise, but stop if you feel dizzy, because it's a powerful one. And this really gets you into meditation, because it balances the Ida and Pingala nadis, and when they are balanced, the energy starts flowing through Sushumna nadi. This is the straight and narrow way of Jesus. It's the middle way. It's the razor's edge of esoterists. This is what meditators aim at, to center themselves in such a way that the energy starts flowing through the Sushumna Nadi. But I must warn you that if you do this kind of exercise, alternate nostril breathing, and you achieve this state, if you really center yourself, your Kundalini will awaken. This is the purpose of all religions, although sometimes it's hidden, but for example, it's even in the Bible. This might awaken Kundalini. If you do not want it to awaken, then don't do this kind of alternate nostril breathing. And another breathing technique which helps you to calm yourself down and get into deeper states of meditation is simply to breathe deeply and slowly. And keep doing this until you feel relaxed, and it will help you to get into meditation. And the last advice that I have is that there are specific meditation techniques that you can do which can quickly get you into deeper states of meditation. And I already made a video about the best technique that I found whilst I was visiting a Thai Buddhist monastery. So I will link to this video, that video, and you will be able to watch it if you haven't watched that video. And that technique is really good, and it really helps you to get into deep states of meditation quite fast. And to end this video, the sign that you're getting into deeper states of meditation is that when you start seeing visions, that means that you relaxed a lot and you're getting into that state. So this is the sign that when you're getting visions, or it might be something auditory, some otherworldly sounds, and then you know that the mind is concentrating and deep meditation is happening, and it will get deeper and deeper. So this is the sign to look for. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for watching. Take care.